Hello, Toma. Here's the tiny rice. Eat it. How is it? You want more? Here you go. Another rice. Come on. Boomer. Boomer trying to eat my rice. That's not good, huh? Hey, Toma. Hey, Toma. Hey, Boomer. Come on. You want some olive? I think it's too big. No, you can't eat that. Come on. You're gonna choke yourself. You should. Boomer, stop that. You don't get to eat the olive. You don't like olive. Say bye-bye.